Hey everybody, coming to you from a kind of deserted cow pasture out here in Colorado. Getting ready to do a little walk around of this FJ60 we just completed. It is a Erod LS3 swap on a FJ60. So let me flip the camera around and show you some cool stuff here. This is a 1985 Toyota LandCruiser FJ60. Came to us with the intention of doing an Erod LS swap and became kind of a mild restoration here. We did paint work on the exterior. The lift kit was already installed, but we kind of tidied some things up. We lifted the body off the frame, did a bit of paint on the frame rails, tried to clean the whole frame up. Just kind of underneath, undercarriage cleanup. But the real star of the show is right here. It's this LS3 engine. So you guys saw this in some of the prior videos before it was quite finished, but all buttoned up now. We've put about 250 miles on it. So this LS3 is basically your 6.2 liter, 430 horse. It is a Chevrolet emission certified package, so that's what makes it really cool. So for these mid-80s trucks, you can drop this engine in, you're 50 state emissions legal, fully ready to roll in California or any other state. And instead of 130 horsepower, now you have 430 horsepower, which makes these old trucks, basically able to keep up with traffic here in the modern era. If you've ever driven an original Land Cruiser, they have, kind of good low-end torque, but when you're trying to drive down an interstate at 70 miles an hour, they just really can't pull any sort of hill or grade. So it makes the truck usable, in my opinion. So really a nice upgrade here. This truck has, been with us for a few months, gone through all this change. We had paint work done. We did minor body work. It was super clean when it came in, so we were really quite thrilled actually to see this one. We mostly focused under hood, tried to get a really tidy installation. You can see we kept, factory airbox type setup, tried to kind of make it look cool and original. This is an aftermarket radiator. It's an aluminum radiator, but we painted it black to kind of look subtle. We kind of keep things low key in our shop. We like to look factory OEM as much as possible. So just a clean, simple install, not a lot of accessories. The owner of this truck, he's going to be mostly using it for just tootling around, a little bit of camping, a little bit of excursion work. Just going to be a nice, clean little kind of driver FJ60. So pretty awesome setup. We did a few exterior upgrades like new grille, new Toyota emblem on the front. We polished up his bumpers a little bit. He's going to be adding some off-road bumpers soon. We polished up his wheels to make them look nice. Reinstalled all his trim. What else do we do in the back? We refurbed the mud flaps a little bit just to give them a fresh coat of paint, make them look nice. Again, kind of kept the rear stock, but he's got some kind of cool vintage stickers from the original owner here. This truck mostly lived its life in Colorado, down in the Cortez area, so kind of an homage to the original home of this thing. So really nice little truck. When you get in and drive it, it's a 5-speed NV 4500 transmission. It's got great power, it's got great ability on the highway. First gear is super low, great for crawling, so just a sweet little package. We are fans of the Land Cruisers, we're fans of the FJ60s, and this LS swap, it's some of the purists don't love putting a Chevy motor in a Toyota, but I gotta say, from a usability and daily drive capability, it's hard to beat. So anyway, that's the truck. There'll be some more pictures on the website. There's a bunch of pictures on Instagram, so if you guys want to learn more about it, see more about it, check it out. And if there's anything you want to know, hit us up in the comments or shoot us an email. Thanks for watching.